spend the night with you. Just let me write and let you dripping from my signature. I feel like